Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to do this Valentine's Day activity with some fun frames. So I'm going to start by doing a student tutorial, and then if you're a teacher at the end, I will go through how to actually set this up for your classes. Okay, so at first you'll be taken to this topic and you'll just read the instructions. So it says click the big Google image to open up a Google Drive folder of the Flipgrid Valentine's Day frame. So you'll click this Google folder and then you can find whichever frame that you like. So you can click on all of them to see whichever one you prefer. I'm going to choose this one, and so when you find the one you want, so this is a thin frame with 4 hearts, I'm going to right click on that one and then choose download. Okay, so now I have it downloaded. I'm going to go back to my Flipgrid, and the instructions say that. So we right clicked, we did step 2. Now in step 3, in Flipgrid, click the record a response button. So you're going to go ahead and click record a response, sign in. And then, oh hi. Okay, so you can go back here and press show topic if you need the instructions again. So the next thing it says is press effects, photo, and then upload the frame. So let's go ahead and do exactly that. Effects, photo, and then you can just drag in the frame or find it. And then you can resize it and make it however you like. And then that's it. Maybe get in the middle of it. And when you're ready, you can start recording your response. Hi, don't you love my beautiful frame here? Let me pause this. Let's go ahead and try another frame. So I can do the same thing. I still have the other tab open. So I want this splatter paint one. So I'm going to right click on it and download, and then go back. And at this point, I'm going to just clear my frame and choose another one, effects, go to photo, and then do the same thing. And then this one, I'm going to just be kind of in the middle. There we go. And I can record the rest of my reply just like that. And you can have fun with the various frames that are in your folder. So that's gonna be it for this tutorial. Stay tuned if you're a teacher and you wanna see how I set this up. All right, let's jump into the teacher tutorial part of this. So on the teacher end, you would go into your Flipgrid teacher account and click on Discovery to go to the Discovery library. When you get to search topics, go ahead and just type in my name, which is Stacy Roshan, and then you'll see the activities that I've created, and then you should be able to find it. So I had to scroll down a little bit, but I did find it. So you can click on that activity. Go ahead, if you want to assign this, go ahead and add the topic. At this point, you can assign it to a group if you have a group set up already, or you can just do it as an individual topic. I will do it as an individual topic right now just to save some time. And then you can modify this activity in any way that you want. So you can change the title if you want. You could add a more specific prompt here. This media is already attached, so leave the media because the media is where I have all the frames already saved. They're in a Google Drive folder, so leave that there. This Google Drive folder is opened to absolutely anybody to be able to access, so nobody should have access issues, but just don't delete this media. And then you can change the privacy, any of those settings, update the topic, and that's it. You can then click the share button and give this link to your students, and they will be able to do the activity just like I explained at the beginning of this video. Feel free to share my tutorial with them. I hope this is really helpful and that you have some fun with it. That'll be it for now. Bye!